We're going to look at the development of firewalls in terms of 3 generations. The first generation firewalls around 1987 or so. These when firewalls were first talked about. And as we've seen before, they could filter on some very basic information, usually from the layer 3 or layer 4 layer of the OSI model. Things like the source port, sequence number, destination port, protocol, IP addresses, and so on. But that was about all that they could do. And the thing that's interesting about these, or one thing that we need to keep in mind when it comes to these, is that they were stateless. When we say stateless, we mean that they had no knowledge of how this packet fits in with a conversation or with a connection. So in other words, they simply look at each packet individually, and they don't care whether this packet was part of a conversation or not part of a conversation. Now, this opened up some vulnerabilities with some people capable of altering these packets to fool the router, or excuse me, the firewall, into accepting a packet that it should not accept. And that's why it's important that we understand this stateless aspect of these things.